Hi guys, in this series of videos, I will be reviewing the most popular skincare products of leading brands. And today I will be reviewing the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. The new name is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2 with Chronolux CB technology. Before I review the product, let us very quickly discuss the main things that we would look for in a night serum. A good night serum should have something that reduces the pigmentation, tanning, dullness, uneven skin tone, something that has an anti aging component, reduces the fine lines and wrinkles, and prevents fine lines and wrinkles. And it should be something that nourishes the skin, makes the skin supple and hydrated. I wanted to discuss why all serums are to be applied in the night. So this is because of the circadian rhythm. Now, circadian rhythm is the normal physiological phenomenon because of which there are certain genes and therefore certain hormones that are expressed differently at different hours of the day, and which is why the skin reacts differently in the night. The gene expression and the hormones are more in the night, and which is why the skin repairing is more. The damage control is done in the night. The blood supply to the skin increases in the night, and which is why most of the serums should be applied in the night, because the absorption is more, and therefore the recovery, the result is also more. Very quickly, I will tell you everything about this product. When I review a product as a dermatologist, for me it is important that we have a look at the ingredients to understand what it can do to your skin scientifically and how it is going to improve your skin. When I talk about the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair ANR, the ingredients that it has is, the most important thing is the Chronolux CB technology, which is a patent for this product. And Chronolux CB technology, nowhere they've mentioned what it is. They've not mentioned what goes inside the Estee Lauder ANR. But since they are claiming that Chronolux CB technology is for the hydration and the nourishment of the skin, it moisturizes the skin. So I'm assuming that the Chronolux CB technology is the hyaluronic acid of the Estee Lauder. Now, hyaluronic acid is an ingredient which moisturizes the skin. It absorbs water, and it increases the moisture content of the skin. Hyaluronic acid does is that it fills in the gap between the fine lines, and therefore when you apply this in the night, you will see that the skin the next day morning looks very supple, nourished and hydrated. The next important thing that Estee Lauder ANR has is the algin marine extract, hydrolyzed algin marine extract, and this has amazing water binding capacity. So this is also again for the moisturizing effect of the Estee Lauder ANR. The third important ingredient is algae and yeast extract, and this is important for the exfoliation of the skin. The cell turnover increases because of the application of because of the algae and yeast extract, and so therefore this is important for the exfoliation of the skin. So the dead cells will shed off, and you will get the fresh new cells, which will be less pigmented and which will be younger, and therefore you see that there's a textural improvement also when you apply the Estee Lauder ANR. Next, there is the antioxidant. This antioxidant present in the Estee Lauder is to control the free radical damage. So, like I've told in my previous videos, that there's a lot of free radical damage happening to the skin because of the pollution, because of the sun rays. So, it is important that you apply something in the night that is to undo the free radical damage, and therefore they've put in the antioxidants. This also has tripeptide 32. Tripeptide 32 is to boost the collagen production. It triggers collagen production, and which is why there's the extra anti-aging effect also to it, besides the hydration and the moisturization. And it has alkyl guanine transferase, and alkyl guanine transferase, although works for DNA repair, but if you see in their website, they are claiming that alkyl guanine transferase will also brighten the skin. So I could not get any content on the brightening by the alkyl guanine transferase. But when you see, they are only claiming a glow and a brightness, and they are not claiming any pigment removal or dark spot removal. And this also has prebiotics. So, what are prebiotics? There are some natural bacteria on the skin in all of us, and these bacteria are important for a healthy skin. They are important for the natural barrier that we have on the skin. So, now in certain diseases like psoriasis, eczema, atopic dermatitis, or acne, the natural bacteria go down and the pathogenic bacteria take over, and therefore probiotics are given to such people orally, and this increases the gut flora and it also improves the skin. So now these prebiotics are added to the Estee Lauder ANR, and what since it is not possible to stabilize a live bacteria in the serum, so what they've done is that they've taken the lysates, which are dead bacteria and their metabolites, and they've added these lysates in stable form in the serum, which you can apply on the skin. And the bacteria that they've added is lactobacillus, which is also present in curd. And so they've added this, and this you can apply on the skin, and this will work on repairing the natural skin barrier. And which is why this is the next action of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, so repairing the skin barrier. Next important thing that the Estee Lauder ANR has is the red and yellow dyes. And so red and yellow dyes are added to blushers also, which is the cosmetic product that we apply on our cheeks. So it should be fine, but for some of you who've seen a trigger of acne breakout after applying blushes on your cheek, may also notice a similar issue with the Estee Lauder ANR, because it is the same dye that is going inside the Estee Lauder ANR. So I will very quickly now tell you something about the cost of the product. So this bottle of Estee Lauder ANR is 20 ml and it costs around 4,000 rupees. So since you have to apply 3 to 4 drops every day on the face and neck in the night, this should last you about 3 months. And so it may not be a lot of money for some of us, but when I'm reviewing a product, I have to see the product considering you have to apply it every month, and you have to apply it for around, say, at least a year. And I have to also review the product according to the ingredients, what they are doing to your skin, what they are supposed to do to your skin, and whether they are delivering what they are promising, and is the cost of the product justified. I've been applying this product for the last 20 days. So honestly, I don't see a lot of difference in my skin. I see a little bit of textural improvement, but not much of hydration. My skin is very dry, so I couldn't rely on the hydration, the moisturization of this product alone, and I had to apply a moisturizer on top of it. And I don't see any reduction in the pigmentation. I don't have a lot of fine lines and wrinkles, but let's hope it does something to my skin. So I will continue to apply it for the next 2 months. And now, since we were discussing the cost of the product, I would say in this case, the cost of the product may be because of the consumer demand, since the product has been in the market for the last 30 years. Now, let's very quickly discuss the 3 things that we had spoken about in the start of the video. So the 3 things that we would look for in a good night serum. The first was the pigmentation. It is very clearly not doing anything to the stubborn pigmentation. It may be good for the little bit of blemishes that you have. The next was the fine line and wrinkle. It may improve a little bit of fine lines and wrinkles, but this product may not be the best product for someone who has very deep wrinkles and fine lines. And then the third thing was the nourishment of the skin. I would say there is definitely a feel good factor to the product. Now, I will very quickly tell you the molecules that I would suggest for that particular function of the Estee Lauder ANR. So, the first thing was the hyaluronic acid, which was for the hydration. And I would honestly suggest that if hydration is your concern, you can go for moisturizers that are superior in action and cheaper. So there are moisturizers with glycerine, ceramides, and paraffin, and these moisturizers is what I would recommend for the hydration and nourishment of the skin. The second important thing was the tripeptide 32, which was for collagen building, and I would actually recommend something which has a retinol, because retinol will work on the cell turnover and they will trigger the collagen production. For the cell turnover, this has algae and yeast extract. So I'm going to give retinol for that. And then there is the probiotics. Probiotics, though it is still debatable how a probiotic applied on the skin would work, and we usually recommend the oral probiotics. And if you want to apply a probiotic on the skin, since this also has lactobacillus, we can apply curd on the skin for the lactic acid effect, for the detanning effect. And for the probiotics, for the skin barrier repair function of the probiotic, I usually recommend the thermal spring water by Evan. And then this has for the pigmentation, it has alkyl guanine transferase, and which is meant to impart brightness to the skin. But honestly, since it is not doing anything to the stubborn pigmentation, tanning, dullness, uneven skin tone, I would prescribe glycolic acids and kojic acids for this. And this also has antioxidants. It is debatable how much an antioxidant applied to the skin would work. So I would suggest an oral antioxidant for this. So my take on this product is that you can go ahead and buy the product if you don't have a lot of pigmentation and deep lines and wrinkles, and if it is not pinching your pocket. But for those of you who have stubborn pigmentation or deep lines and wrinkles, there are other superior, better, and cheaper molecules available. I hope this was informative. I'll see you soon with my next product review. Bye bye. Take care.